Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. Today on my channel, I am going to be tackling this very antique dry sink that was given to my best friend's husband from his grandmother, and it's something that's very special to him. However, their 3 male dogs decided to have a little battle for territory. What I'm going to do today is take an 80 grit sandpaper and just sand this piece down. We don't necessarily love the stain color, so we're still trying to decide what we want the end product to look like. But the first thing we're going to do is get this down to the original wood color. Right now, it's been in their basement, kind of nice and warm. And a lot of the smell of urine is out, but we are going to see, once I finish the sanding, what the status is of the staining and the smell to see how it ends up. So, who knows how old this is and what's in it. I'm going to go ahead and use my respirator mask so that I don't get a sinus infection, and so that whatever is in there, I don't breathe. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy. This right here is about where the pet urine smell came out again with a vengeance. So the sanding, the sunshine therapy, the heat, the lemon oil, and the waiting, all of those things are what I equate to getting rid of that odor. Like you will see at the end, Henry checks it out and we got the odor out. Natural color of the wood. Natural color of the wood with just white wax over it. This has a lot of orange in it, and I'm still not happy with it. Now I'm gonna skip over here. This is the brown antiquing wax watered down, which has some brown in it, but it is still have an orange tinge. And then this is the antiquing wax, the brown antiquing wax with white wax over it. It's like right here, you can see the difference. So far, this was my favorite. But then I talked to a friend with a fine arts degree who said using the color black as a wash instead of brown will remove the orange. So the black wash, it's a black paint watered down. And you can see this is with the brown and this is the black. This still has orange to it. Henry? Now, this is the black with the white wax over it. And the problem is, this wood is so thirsty that it just soaked up the white. So here's it with just the black wash, and then the black wash and the white wax over the top of it. Did another experiment. Up here, I put the white wax first, and then added the black wash. And then over here, I did the black wash first, and then added the white wax. And the difference is when you add the wax first, it's like a layer of conditioner over it, so it doesn't soak up as much of the black. Black is really soaked up. Black is just a afterthought to tone it down. So I believe this is where I'm gonna end up. White wax the whole thing first, so it has a wax protection, and then put a black wash over top of it to remove the orange. So I decided to do a clear wax to the whole piece to seal it kind of first, and so I could have more control over the white wax and the black wash. And as you can see from the rag right there, there are a lot of those orange tannins that are coming out when I'm putting the product on. So this is confirmation that I'm doing the right thing by putting the clear wax on. That way the white wax can go over it instead of kind of mixed with the tannins, if that makes any sense. Right here I'm showing you side by side. The one on the left is kind of watered down black wash, and the one on the right is more watered down, and you can see the difference in how it goes on the piece of furniture. So I went with the one on the right, more watered down. I thought that was a better look for the piece. And then on the side on the left, I went back and sanded it so it would look cohesive. So this piece stayed in my garage all summer. That helped get some of the smell out, but the kids were around. Anyway, he told me not to worry about the inside, don't sand it down, don't finish it, whatever, but I'm doing the same approach to everything I had already sanded. I know this piece isn't going to sit with the door open, but wanted it to all go together. So this is wrapping up this week's video. What do you guys think? Did I do this beautiful piece a service? Is she restored? Is she wonderful? I so enjoyed making her over, and I appreciate that I was trusted with her care. Here is a reminder of what it looked like before. And here it is after. If you like this video, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments below if I did a good job, and I will see you guys again next week.